Hi students, let us continue with our chapter 14, fractions. Okay, we had already completed exercise 14a in our previous class. Today, let me do exercise 14b. Exercise 14b, let me do the first main. Reduce the given fractions to their lowest term. Okay, here we have 8 by 10. So, how do we reduce given fractions into the lowest term? So, you would have learned this in your previous class also. Whenever you have to reduce a fraction, you have to divide both the numerator and denominator with the same number, and you have to write the resulting answer. So, 8 and 10 you have here, right? So, both 8 and 10 can be divided with 2, correct? So, how do I write it? I can write it as, I can write this is equal to 8 by 10 divided by 2 divided by 2. So, what is 8 divided by 2? 8 divided by 2 is 4. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So, again, is there any number other than 1 which we can divide both? No. So, your final answer will be 4 by 5. This is how you solve it. Okay. So, you can start doing it with smaller numbers, dividing it. How much ever you can divide, you try doing that. Okay. So, here you have 50 by 75. That is equal to 50 by 75. Here I can divide both the numerator and denominator by 5. Correct? So, what is 50 divided by 5? 50 divided by 5 is 10. 75 divided by 5 will be 15. Correct? 15 5 is 75. Again, 10 by 5 I can divide. 10 by 15 can be divided by both 10 and 15. I can divide with which number? I can divide it with 5 again. Right? So, 5. 15 divided by 5. So, you will get it as 2 by 3. That will be your final answer. Okay. Now, going to the third question. What's the third question? 18 divided by 81. Correct? Both are factors of 9. Right? So, I can divide both of them by 9. Correct? So, when I divide it by 9, if doing with larger numbers is difficult for you, you can step by step, you can do it with a smaller number. 18 divided by 9 is 9 2s are 18. And you know 9 9s are 81. So, you will get 9. So, your answer will be 2 by 9. Now, coming to the fourth sub question. 40 by 120. That is equal to 40 by 120. So, both the zeros I can directly cancel. Divide by 4. Divide by 4. Correct? What is 4 divided by 4? That is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So, you will get it as 1 by 3. Now, fifth question. 105 by 70. That is equal to, I can write as 105 by 70 divided by 5 divided by 5. So, you will get it as 105 divided by 5 is how much? 21. Correct? 105 divided by 5. 2s are 10, 5, 1. Divided by 70 divided by 5. 7 divided by 5 is 1. So, 20, 14. So, again can we do it? Yes. You can divide both of them by 7. Right? So, how much you will get? 3 by 2. Is it clear? You will get it as 3 by 2. So, this is how you do the first main. Now, coming to the second main. State whether following are true or false. So, it's given to us as 2 by 5 is equal to 10 by 15. So, let us simplify 10 by 15 and check whether you are getting it as equal to 2 by 5. So, divide by 5, divide by 5 if I do, I will get it as 2 by 3. So, it's a false. 10 by 5 will not be equal to 2 by 5. It's equal to 2 by 3. Okay. Coming to the second question. 35 by 42 equal to 5 by 6. So, 35 by 42 let me take. Divide both of them by 7. When I divide 35 by 7, I will get 5. When I divide 42 by 7, I will get 6. So, I get it as 5 by 6. Now, third one. 5 by 4 is equal to 4 by 4. So, again this is true, correct? This is false. 5 by 4 and 4 by 5 are not equal, right? 1 by 2 and 2 by 1 are not equal. So, you can write it like that. So, coming to the fourth question. 7 by 9 equal to 1 by 7. So, let me take what is 1 by 7 and check. 1 by 7 is 1 into 7 plus 1 is 8 by 7. So, again it is a false. Okay. Now, coming to the third main. What is given in the third main? Which fraction is greater? Which fraction is greater? Okay. So we have 3 by 5 or 2 by 3. How do we check it? In order to check which fraction is greater, first thing we have to do is you need to make the denominators equal. So 3 by 5, I can make it as 3 by 5 into 3, 3 into 3, right? So I'll get it as 9 by 15. Similarly, 2 by 3. To make it equal to 15, what I should do? Into 5 into 5. So I get it as 10 by 15. So now we just check 10 by 15 or 9 by 15. Which is greater? 10 by 15 is greater. So that means 2 by 3 is greater. Okay, this is how we solve it. Now coming to the next one. 5 by 9 or 3 by 4. Again, 4 and 9, there are no common multiples. So what you can do is, you can take 5 by 9 equal to 5 by 9 into 4 into 4. Similarly, 3 by 4 will be equal to 3 by 4 into 9 into 9. So what you get? 5 4s are 20. 20 by 36. 3 9s are 27. 27 by 36. Which is greater? 3 by 4. You can write 3 by 4 is greater. Hope it's clear. Now coming to the third sub question. 11 by 14 or 26 by 35. In this case, I can take the LCM and check. 14, 35, 7. Correct? 7 will go 2 times, 7 will go 5 times. Then again 2, 1s are 5s are. So LCM will be 7 into 2. That is equal to 70. So 11 by 14 can be written as 11 by 14 into what is 70? 14 into 5. Right? So 11. So 55 by 70 and 26 by 35 can be written as 26 by 35 into 2 into 2. What is 26 into 2? That is 52 by 70. So which is greater here? We have 11 by 14 is greater. So similar way, please complete 4th, 5th and 6th main in your classwork. So 5th and 6th main, similar way you have to make the denominators equal and write in descending and ascending order. Okay. Then with the 7th main, I'll continue in the next class. Thank you, students.